Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you the best hiding spots for the mansion and sewer maps in Mecha Chameleon. So if you want to survive longer as a hider, just follow along. First, let's start with the hide and seek mansion map. The mansion has lots of furniture, shelves, paintings, and indoor objects that are great for camouflage. One strong hiding spot is the library area. Match your colors with the bookshelves or nearby decorations and use a pose that blends with the shapes around you. Another good spot is near paintings and wall decorations. Use the eyedropper tool to copy the colors and try to match the frame, wall, or artwork style. You can also hide around furniture clusters like chairs, shelves, and side areas because seekers usually check open spaces first. For mansion, avoid standing in the middle of the rooms. Even if your color is correct, your character outline can give you away. Now let's move to the sewer map. The sewer is darker and has pipes, graffiti, barrels, and industrial textures, so hiding depends more on matching shadows and surfaces. A good spot is near pipe areas and dark corners. Use darker colors and match the surrounding shadows to make your body harder to notice. Next option is hiding near graffiti walls. The extra pattern can help hide small paint mistakes, but make sure your body shape still matches the background. You can also use areas near barrels and industrial objects, but make sure your position does not look unnatural from the seeker's view. Before the round starts, always check your hiding spot from multiple camera angles. So those are the best hiding spots and strategies for mansion and sewer map in Mecha Chameleon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.